Hello there kids, this is your boy Hooligan MX. Today I'm gonna talk to you about this printer kit for the tattoo stencils, which is kinda sad that the only option out there I could find was this kit, which is overpriced, but that's just me. Well, here's another option that can save you at least a little over $100. I don't wanna come across as a hater or anything like that. To be precautious, I won't be giving you exactly their brands, but you might have a very good idea of the products I'm introducing to you. Then again, I'm not bashing anyone or any brand, just putting out there another option for the community. Ready? Here we go. Alright kids, let me break it down for you. Here we have an option I found, which is $225 for the kit, plus taxes and shipping. So all this kit comes up for a little over $250. Now, these other products will be able to get the job done with less money. A couple of these bottles cost around $48, which are 2 ounces each, and the paper is around $7. So you might consider spending $250 versus $55. Plus, of course, the printer, which is another thing. Its price is around $215 brand new, and it has to be brand new. There's no way around. Unless, of course, you don't care about your client's safety, which would be very shady.
I will be making a tutorial to show you how to set up the printer because there's plenty out there on YouTube already. But what I can tell you is this: you will be using the ink bottles except for one, only to replace inks. If it happens to experience some vertical stripes, don't freak out. Just go to maintenance and clean the print head. And always remember to invert the picture you are editing with, whatever program you are using. Now, it's time to find out if it works out. Alright mi gente, this was Hooligan MX. Hope you liked the video. Stay positivo. Hasta la próxima.